But 13 years ago, I had a lot of cracks in my heart. I had a lot of, well, psychology would call it low self-esteem. I call it low self-worth. You know, anybody? Women a lot deal with this, right? And so I had God in my life. I had a lot, you know, in my life. I had family that loved me, but there were some deep cracks in my life. So I was kind of going to some of the wrong people, doing some of the wrong things, going to the wrong places, searching for what I realized only God could fill. But it didn't come all of a sudden. But when God nudged me to start a Bible study 13 years ago, that is when I got into the Word of God. And I began to see that as He was drawing me, and had been all along, He was drawing everyone else. And I began to see that He was revealing Himself to me. I mean, that's what He's doing. I mean, when He's drawing us to His heart, He has a purpose. He wants us to know Him, and He wants us to know how special we are. So as I was on that journey, having to study the Bible like I had never had before, or sure, I'd been in church and I'd studied the Bible, I'd been to a couple Bible studies, but I never did my homework. I was one of those that just came and sat down. Nothing wrong with that, because God is getting in, whether you're doing your homework or not. You know, you're in the presence of God, and He is working. So never feel bad if you don't do your homework. But I was beginning to see what I needed all along. I needed to know that God was after my heart, and that I was really special. Because maybe some of you can relate. I used to think that what made me special was what I looked like on the outside. A lot of women deal with that. And if I just, if I just did the right things, if I just went to college and I got the right degree, and if I got the right man, and if I, had a kid and had a house, and I'd be happy. Anybody? But have you noticed sometimes you get those things? I noticed I got all those things, but I wasn't happy. I didn't feel special. But like I said, when I got into the Word of God and He started pouring Himself into me, because the Word of God is what the Bible, and what is the Bible? It's God's written Word that comes from the mind of God. So I started getting those thoughts out of my head about how I had to be this and I had to do this, and I started taking in God's thoughts. And I want to read to you, during that same time frame where God led me to start a Bible study, which wasn't even on my radar. Very strange. My life's going this way, and then the trajectory changed, and I'm going this way. And He's pouring His Word into me. And our church did a book series, or I should say a sermon series, and the entire church was reading The Purpose-Driven Life. So this is a while back. I think this church did it too, or at least 40 Days of Purpose or something. It's pretty popular. This book was on the New York Times bestseller. A lot of you know that. And Rick Warren, very influential pastor, he strategically placed 1,000 verses within this book. So here it was, I'm getting the Word of God, and then I'm reading this book that had the Word of God in it, and I had no idea it was going to really be kind of a big catalyst, if you will, that God used to reach down in those cracks that I had in my heart that needed to be filled with only what He could fill. It wasn't going to come from a person. It wasn't going to come from anything I could do on the outside. It wasn't going to come from any degree. It wasn't going to come from marriage, children, or a house on the hill. It was going to come from Jesus and Jesus alone.